In this video, we're going to talk about a simple forge that you can get on eBay that I've found to be really functional for teaching classes and then making hardware as well. This is a Laredo Blacksmiths 2-burner forge. And if you have welding skills, you might decide that this is within your capability to make. So we got some real simple welds for tubing on the top that receive the burners, and then we've got bolts that can act as set screws. We got brass gas fittings with a shut-off valve up top, a fuel line that goes all the way down to our standard propane tank. And this doesn't come standard, this braided hose that you see here. They just send you a regular black gas line. I borrowed this from another forge that I have because it has this gauge on it, and I want to be able to see the pressure that's coming out of the tank so I can conserve my fuel for one. It also, in correlation with the color of the steel, tells me that everything is up to the temp that I need. So pretty straightforward.